Hello to you my fashion lovers, you're welcome back again to fashion and hairstyles updates. So in case I've seen this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on bell notification so that whenever any video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. And trust me guys, in this channel I upload regularly, so why not join and always see my videos as they drop. So my pretty queens, as you can see in this video for today, I have the best compilations of new trendy and acrylic nail art designs. As you can see already, these nails are looking so good and gorgeous that you can practically rock them to any occasion of your choice. So why not watch this video to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide. Also for you to pick the best light to make on your nails. So for that forthcoming event, watch this video and pick the nails that suit your outfit. And as you watch it, please support the channel by hitting the like button. Okay, like this video and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can as well save it for a later use. And to my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you guys for always coming back to watch and engage in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in my channel is so much appreciated. So ladies, at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.